Board-compatible 6 ft Android charging cord for Samsung Galaxy S7 S6 Edge, Active, Plus, J8 J7 J6 J6 Plus J5 J4 J4 Plus J3 J2 J1 Prime, Pro, J3V, Orbit, Eclipse, Emerge, J2 Pure, J7 Sky Pro, Prime, Perx, Refine, Aura, Star, Crown, Luna, Neo, Max, Eclipse, J7V, 2018, 2017, 2016, LG Stylus 3, LG Stylo 3 Plus, Stylo 2 K50 K40S K30 K20 Plus K20V K10 K7 V10 Q6 Q70 Q60, Motorola Moto G6 Play, G5S Plus, G5S, G5, G5 Plus, G4 Play, G3, E6, E5 Plus, E5 Supra, E4, E4 Plus, E3 Power, Kindle Fire 7, 8, 10, HTC 110M9M9 Plus M8M7A9 and more. Dual-port USB charger. Input: AC 100 to 240 volts, output: DC 5V, 2.1A, slim 2-port AC charger adapter with 2-pack braided micro USB cable can rapid charge 2 Android smartphones or tablets simultaneously at full speed, save your time and save space on the power strip. Safe and reliable USB Charger Cube Smart IC design wall charger adapts with overheated protection, overcurrent protection, overcharging protection. And charging will automatically stop when battery is full. Durable fast Android phone charger charge around 10% faster than most standard Android charger cables and sync speed up to 480 megabits per second. Coated with tightly nylon braided fabric and reinforced contour ends with aluminum alloy provide durability and protection. Extra long micro USB cord is convenient and provides you a free moving around the house while charging. What you get: -1 pack phone charger brick box, 1 pack fast charging micro USB cable. Reliable and friendly customer service response within 24 hours. If there is any problem with our 2-in-1 Android charger kit, please just feel free to contact us by email, we will help you solve it immediately. Top reviews from the United States. Works fast. The charger works fast and is sturdy. I carry it in my pocketbook every day to and from work as I often need to charge my phone. The charger works faster than my previous charger, which was touted to be extra fast but was not fast at all. It has a long cord which I do not need but others might. Still, I am very happy with the charger.